Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining bots, 100% trusted. This is our first bot for TMR coin. In this bot we collect TMR coin like shown below. For 5,000 TMR we get 1 ton. How to collect TMR coin? Watch carefully. There is other bot to explain this video. Share the video and subscribe. Let's scroll down. We find here, like shown below, subscribers and joining bots, like shown below. I do all, and there is always a new tasks to do. Just we click like that. No more even subscribe or bot. For channel you must subscribe. We join, like shown below. I have 20 TMR, and that's how it's work for this bot in the dashboard. Here you choose your language, English or Russian or Arabian. There is staking here. To activate the package of staking, you need at minimum 100 TMR coin. You collect TMR coin from dashboard here. You go to add center also. Here you collect from here, subscribing, watching ads and other method like shown below. You collect unlimited TMR coin, daily tasks. If we scroll up, when you complete 15 tasks, you get 500 TMR as bonus. For 100 tasks, I complete 100 tasks for 1000 TMR, and this is its a bonus for completing a task like shown below. Until you complete 500 tasks, you get 5000 TMR here. Like you see, I have my bonus earned in the 1050 TMR. We go to our balance. This is my balance, and I have a balance of TRON coin. How we get? We just write here encode bonus 5555 and activate bonus like shown below. I already activated the bonus for this available for withdraw. I already activated this bonus. Use this code, activate bonus. If it changes, it will be in my channel Telegram. This ton balance needed in staking. When you stake, you scroll down. For this example, if we put 1000, we need the 0.1 ton fee to stake and get daily earn from our staking in TRON coin. But here minimum 1000 TMR. You convert market here, convert it to your TMR to TRON deposit. You can change 1000 to get TRON here. You can change your TMR coin, but I prefer to invest here. Minimum investment is 100 TMR, like shown below. This is how it's work for this bot. Let's go to our second bot. This is for VRX coin, like shown below. You join and do tasks. There is Telegram and Twitter. You do tasks. You click in upgrade. For the first time you upgrade level 1. After that you must upgrade to level 2 to withdraw, like shown below. I can't upgrade now. I must have 20,000 coin. If you claim, we must, like you see, you must collect this number of VRX. If you go to trade, for VRX, you trade with TRON coin. Like shown below, you can swap all your coin into TRX and withdraw. Simple. And withdraw. This is how it's work. For the first, there is a fee of 1.2 TRX. You must accumulate more than 2 TRX. Like shown below, I have 1 TRX.7. Like so. If you click in withdraw, like see, it takes some 3 minutes. This is how it's work for our bot. There is also a game you can spin, like shown below. Here upgrade, you can't upgrade, it costs 15,000 VRX coin. You can accumulate in 3 days. This is how it's work. You accumulate VRX coin, you go to earn, you upgrade to level 2, costs 15,000 VRX, and you go to trade, you swap to TRX coin for 1,000. We get 0.09 TRX. You must collect at least 2 TRX to throw. There is a fee of 1 TRX. This is house coin for VRX coin. This is simple and 100% paying. Also, there is other paying bot in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.